In the vast and uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, OpenAI has emerged as a pioneering force, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Their creation, ChatGPT, has captivated the world with its ability to generate human-quality text. But with great power comes great responsibility. Recognizing this, OpenAI has unveiled a comprehensive rulebook for ChatGPT, a framework designed to ensure its ethical and responsible deployment. This rulebook outlines the principles, guidelines, and processes that govern ChatGPT's behavior. It represents a significant step towards mitigating potential risks and maximizing the benefits of AI for humanity. This rulebook is not merely a set of abstract ideals, it's a practical roadmap for navigating the complexities of AI ethics. It provides concrete guidance on issues ranging from data privacy to bias mitigation, shaping how ChatGPT interacts with the world. The document delves into the intricacies of the model spec, the technical heart of ChatGPT, outlining how it's trained and evaluated. It also sheds light on the crucial role human evaluators play in refining ChatGPT's responses. This blend of technical specifications and human oversight underscores OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI development. The stakes are high. As AI systems like ChatGPT become increasingly sophisticated, their impact on society will only grow. The decisions made today will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the trajectory of AI development for years to come. OpenAI's rulebook is a testament to the company's awareness of this responsibility. It's a bold attempt to establish ethical guardrails in a rapidly evolving field, a beacon of hope illuminating the path towards a future where AI empowers humanity. This rulebook represents a significant milestone in AI governance, setting a precedent for other organizations developing advanced AI systems. It's a call to action, urging the tech community to prioritize ethical considerations alongside technological advancements. As we venture further into the uncharted waters of artificial intelligence, OpenAI's rulebook serves as a timely reminder that the future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future we must actively shape with wisdom, foresight, and an unwavering commitment to ethical principles. At the heart of OpenAI's rulebook lies the model spec, a constitution for ChatGPT. It guides the development, training, and deployment of this powerful language model, ensuring alignment with human values and societal norms. AI should remain subservient to human oversight. The model spec evolves alongside ChatGPT, adapting to new challenges and opportunities, ensuring alignment with ethical considerations and technological advancements, a dynamic framework for AI evolution, providing clear guidelines for ChatGPT's responses, outlining boundaries to avoid harmful outputs, preventing misinformation, hate speech, and harmful content, acting as a safeguard for ChatGPT's capabilities, mitigating potential risks associated with AI, addressing biases in training data to prevent societal prejudices, establishing protocols for handling harmful content, fostering trust, and ensuring responsible AI use. Central to OpenAI's vision for ChatGPT is the principle of assisting users. This goes beyond simply providing information or completing tasks. It's about empowering individuals and enhancing their lives through the power of AI. Whether it's helping a student grasp a complex concept, assisting a writer in crafting compelling narratives, or providing companionship to someone feeling isolated, ChatGPT is envisioned as a tool that augments human capabilities. The principle of assisting users is deeply intertwined with the broader goal of benefiting humanity. OpenAI envisions ChatGPT as a force for good in the world, contributing to advancements in fields like education, healthcare, and scientific research. Imagine a world where ChatGPT helps doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, empowers teachers to personalize education for each student, and accelerates the pace of scientific discovery. However, the potential benefits of ChatGPT extend far beyond these specific domains. It has the potential to bridge cultural divides by facilitating communication and understanding between people from different backgrounds. It can empower individuals with disabilities by providing them with new tools and resources to navigate the world. By breaking down barriers and fostering collaboration, ChatGPT can contribute to a more equitable and just society. The principle of assisting humanity also encompasses a commitment to environmental sustainability. OpenAI recognizes the significant energy consumption associated with training and running large language models like ChatGPT. As such, they are actively exploring ways to reduce the environmental impact of their AI systems, from developing more energy-efficient algorithms to utilizing renewable energy sources. This commitment to sustainability is crucial in ensuring that the benefits of AI are enjoyed by future generations. Protecting privacy, safeguarding user data in the age of AI. In an era defined by data proliferation, OpenAI recognizes the paramount importance of user privacy. The Rulebook underscores a steadfast commitment to safeguarding user data, ensuring that interactions with ChatGPT remain confidential and secure. This commitment is not merely a matter of compliance, it's a fundamental principle that underpins the ethical use of AI. OpenAI employs robust data encryption methods to protect user information from unauthorized access. This means that all interactions with ChatGPT, including the text inputs and outputs, are encrypted and stored securely. This ensures that even in the unlikely event of a data breach, user information remains protected. Furthermore, OpenAI adheres to strict data minimization practices. This means that they only collect and store the data that is absolutely necessary for providing and improving ChatGPT's services. They avoid collecting any unnecessary personal information, and the data they do collect is anonymized whenever possible. Transparency is another key aspect of OpenAI's approach to user privacy. They are committed to providing users with clear and concise information about how their data is collected, used, and protected. Users have the right to know what data is being collected, for what purpose, and how long it is stored. This transparency empowers users to make informed decisions about their data. OpenAI also provides users with granular control over their data. Users have the ability to access, modify, or delete their data at any time. They can also opt out of data collection for certain features or services. This level of control ensures that users remain in the driver's seat when it comes to their data. Ensuring safety, navigating the complexities of AI ethics. OpenAI recognizes that the development and deployment of advanced AI systems like ChatGPT come with inherent risks. The Rulebook places a strong emphasis on ensuring safety, both in terms of preventing harm to individuals and society as a whole. One of the key challenges in AI safety is mitigating the risk of malicious use. To address this, they have implemented robust safety measures to prevent the generation of harmful content. Another critical aspect of AI safety is addressing the potential for bias. OpenAI recognizes that biases present in training data can lead to biased outputs. OpenAI also recognizes the importance of transparency in ensuring AI safety. They're committed to being open about the limitations of their technology and the potential risks associated with its use. OpenAI emphasizes the importance of human oversight in ensuring AI safety. Human evaluators play a crucial role in monitoring ChatGPT's outputs and providing feedback to improve the system. Upholding fairness, combating bias in AI systems. The pursuit of fairness is deeply ingrained in OpenAI's rulebook, reflecting the understanding that AI systems should not perpetuate or amplify existing societal biases. This commitment to fairness is crucial in ensuring that AI benefits all members of society, not just a select few. One of the primary challenges in upholding fairness is addressing the issue of biased training data. OpenAI recognizes that if an AI system is trained on biased data, it is likely to generate biased outputs. To combat this, they employ diverse datasets and develop algorithms that are less susceptible to bias. OpenAI also recognizes that fairness is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What is considered fair in one context may not be fair in another. Therefore, they are committed to engaging with diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, social scientists, and community leaders, to ensure that ChatGPT's outputs are fair and equitable across a wide range of contexts. Transparency is another key element in OpenAI's approach to fairness. They are committed to being open about the limitations of their technology and the potential for bias in AI systems. This includes providing users with information about how ChatGPT works, the data it was trained on, and the steps taken to mitigate bias. OpenAI also recognizes the importance of accountability in upholding fairness. They have established mechanisms for users to report instances where they believe ChatGPT has generated biased or unfair outputs. These reports are taken seriously and are used to further improve the system and ensure that it remains aligned with the principles of fairness and equity. The human touch, evaluating and refining ChatGPT's responses. While ChatGPT represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, its development remains deeply intertwined with human oversight. OpenAI employs a team of human evaluators who play a crucial role in assessing and refining ChatGPT's responses, ensuring they align with the principles outlined in the Rulebook. These evaluators, with expertise in fields like ethics, linguistics, and cultural sensitivity, provide critical feedback on various aspects of ChatGPT's performance. They assess the accuracy, relevance, and appropriateness of its responses, ensuring they are informative, unbiased, and aligned with human values. This continuous feedback loop is essential in improving ChatGPT's capabilities and mitigating potential risks. Human evaluators also play a vital role in identifying and addressing biases in ChatGPT's outputs. They are trained to recognize subtle forms of bias that might not be immediately apparent, ensuring that ChatGPT's responses are fair and equitable across a wide range of contexts. This human oversight is crucial in preventing the perpetuation of harmful stereotypes and promoting inclusivity. Moreover, human evaluators contribute to the ongoing development of ChatGPT by identifying areas for improvement and suggesting new features or capabilities. They act as a bridge between the technical complexities of AI and the nuances of human language and behavior, ensuring that ChatGPT remains aligned with human needs and expectations. This human-in-the-loop approach is a testament to OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI development. While ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in AI, its success is ultimately measured by its ability to serve humanity. By integrating human oversight throughout the development process, OpenAI ensures that ChatGPT remains a tool for good, augmenting human capabilities and contributing to a better future.